Welcome to our tutorial on how to create an avatar on Facebook using your Android device. Follow these simple steps to personalize your own avatar. 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. 3. Select See More from the menu options, then tap on the avatar icon. 4. Choose a skin tone that best represents you, and then tap Next to proceed. 5. Customize your avatar by selecting various options for hairstyle, facial features, outfits, and more. Once you are satisfied with your avatar, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. By following these steps, you can create a personalized avatar that reflects your unique style and personality. Your avatar can be used in comments, chat, and even as a profile picture to add a fun and creative touch to your Facebook interactions. Creating an avatar on Facebook allows you to express yourself in a fun and engaging way, making your interactions on the platform more visually appealing and personalized. Whether you want to create an avatar that resembles you or showcases your creativity, the process is simple and customizable to suit your preferences. We hope this tutorial helps you in creating your own avatar on Facebook. Thank you for watching.